Today I want to show you how you can create effortless and easy presentations like this, just like this, using Gamma. Now, if you're not familiar with Gamma, Gamma is an effortless AI designed for presentations, websites, and more. Now, it can do a lot of things where it can create a presentation, social media, posts, documents, websites, illustration, portfolios, graphics, and also it has an API where you can create Gamma programmatically, automate creation, integrate with your tools, and scale your content. Now, this is all at one place. You can simply start for free. Now, once you click on start for free, it's just going to ask you a couple of details. You just have to do that. So once you log in, this is the dashboard, which is going to be our brand new dashboard right here. And they provide initial grades, you can see, so that you can try. And what you need to do is you simply come here, come to the home. Also, you can add a template. You can go to the template section, and if you're creating a presentation, you can go here and pick up a theme, or you can also do the, you can also select the different templates right here. If you click on workspace templates, you can also upload the template right here. Let's go back to the home, and here we have many things. We have sites. We can also create a site. If I click on create a new site, this is gonna ask us to prompt. Okay, so let's just wait. And yep, as you can see, you can go, this is just like a Notion. So let me just go back, and here if I go to the canvas, click on create, and here we have 4 options. One is a generate, create a one-line prompt in a few seconds, paste in text, create from notes. We can paste, we can create from a template, we can also import an URL and file so it can build. So let me just go here, click on import file. I'm just going to import from an URL. So let me just go here, and here I'm just going to give my website, which is https createlookup.com. Import. And once you do that, we have got the thing. What would you like to create with this content? Is prompting me to create a presentation, web page, document, and social. I'm just gonna go here and create a presentation. Click on create. Now let's just wait for it. No, it has took some information. Now it is asking me to select the settings, and here we have the visual. So let me just go here and click this, and if I click this, we can also select the images. So let me just put it in a gamma dark, and if I want to select the AI image model, I can put it in auto select model, and format is just going to be the presentation. Click on generate. We can also select the number of cards, and we can also give a custom information as a prompt. So let's just wait for it to build. Now I'm just going to leave it on the screen. You can see it is doing by itself. It's creating itself the whole presentation. So that you can see it's going step by step, and is also included an AI generated image. So let's just wait for it to finish. Now it's just going to take a long time because it's going from the scratch. It's reading the website, taking all the information, and it's also adding a little bit of extra content, a little bit of extra pictures and pain points, as you can see. Alright, it went ahead and created a whole presentation right here. We can see the 10 cards. Now let me just click on present right here, and this is it. So this is how it looks like. So we have got the first page, which is a Google stop sending clicks. We help you get paid anyway. And then the second presentation, second slide, third slide, and fourth slide, which they have added an AIG image, which is not that great because I can see the letters and every single thing right here distorted. But the thing is, it has written a good quick point, which is ranking #1 no longer guarantees a visit. And then create a lookup one call a plan built for your site, and then how it works. and then what's your monetization readiness score, and what changed after conversation. It has added a few testimonials which was grabbed from my website, and stop optimizing for Google, that's already moved on. And we have got a nice little CTS right here, which is very good. All right, let me just exit the presentation and let me just show you the website which it referred. So this is the website which it referred, although it not included every single point, but fair enough, this is good. So we just give it a solid 8 out of 10, which is creating in a website. So let me just go back and create a from URL. I'm just gonna go with the same. And let me just create a document. Okay, let me just go and create a web page and look how it looks like. So let's just, and I want to show you. So let's just put it to the 9 cards, 8 cards, 6 cards, or maybe 4 cards. Click on generate. And I want to even show you the document, which it has a document type. So let me just go here, click on create new, click from the URL. And guys, you can also upload a file, you can also import from Drive, you can also import from the URL. And let me just give the website, click on import. Once I do that, let me just go with a document, click on continue, and let's just wait for it to finish. All right, now you can also publish directly. You can add a custom domain, which is available with the Pro, and you can also publish a current page, preview a current page, publish site in the Gamma site itself. So if I show you the upgrading options, and you can see this is a price, so you can look by yourself. So let me just wait for it to finish. Now in the meanwhile, so let me just select this and click on, let me just put it in 4 cards, click on create new. Okay, all right, so let me just wait for it to finish. All right, now you can see we have got a document which is fully ready, prepared, and we even got the website right here, which is very good. And we can also add a button right here, which is an anchor tag, add a link. I can also add a logo and directly publish. We also have an agent. We can ask to edit, create, or add anything or style anything. Maybe if you don't want to change, if you don't want this gradient color, we can change it to something else. And we have got this quite a little good looking website right here. If you want to edit, if you want to do the SEO thing, we can do everything right here. So this is a good, good and best way to create a productive website. So one page landing web, not that complicated website, but one page landing web pages. So all right, I feel like Gamma is good for students and also people who want to create. It doesn't also take much credits compared to what other softwares like Emergent and many other things, which consumes a lot of credits one go of building more websites. So I think this is a good, and I give it a solid 8 out of 10. And the clean design, minimal, it's also simple to use dashboard, not that complicated. And yeah, so this is Gamma. Try, the link will be in the description. If you want to book a call to monetize your website, the link will be in the description. You can check that out. Catch you on the next one.